Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, we're going to take a look at ClassHook's new pause prompt feature. If you're not familiar with ClassHook, it's an excellent place to find video clips to use in your classroom. So I'm going to go here and search for a video clip about the movie Gettysburg, or from the movie Gettysburg. And I'll do my search here. And this will pull up some different clips. And I'm going to use this little clip. Now, once the video starts playing, let's say I'm here, I pause it, and down below, I'm going to go in and add a prompt. And so now I can add this prompt down below and say something like, what is he talking about in this segment? What's the metaphor he's using? And you can see down here, I can make this a timed pause, or I can make it an untimed pause. If I make it a timed pause, I can specify how long we're going to pause for. So let's say 1 minute, 30 seconds. And these pause breaks are designed for classroom display of the videos. So when you're playing the video back, this pause break will appear, and you'll give your kids, in this case, 1 minute and 30 seconds to talk about that question. Right? So now if we go and we play this segment all the way from the beginning, you can see I have another pause prompt in here already. Let's go and play that one. And when it gets to the 17-second mark, we'll hit our first prompt. And so we now see this prompt appearing on the screen. Now, if I were to use this in full screen mode, that prompt would also appear over the video as well. And so that's ClassHook's pause prompt feature. You can have up to 5 pause prompts in your videos if you're a ClassHook free account user. If you're a premium account user, you have as many pause prompts as you would like to use. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com.